Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Eva. Do you know what delayed gratification is? In brief, it is the resistance to the temptation of an immediate pleasure in the hope of obtaining a valuable and long-lasting reward in the long term. In other words, delayed gratification describes the process that the subject undergoes when the subject resists the temptation of an immediate reward in preference for a later reward. Generally, delayed gratification is associated with resisting a smaller but more immediate reward in order to receive a larger or more enduring reward later. A growing body of literature has linked the ability to delay gratification to a host of other positive outcomes, including physical health, psychological health, and social competence. The seminal research on delayed gratification, the now famous marshmallow experiment, was conducted by Walter Mischel in the 1960s and 1970s at Stanford University. Mischel and his colleagues were interested in strategies that preschool children used to resist temptation. They presented 4-year-olds with a marshmallow and told the children that they had two options. First, ring a bell at any point and eat the marshmallow. Or, second, wait until they returned, about 15 minutes later, and earn 2 marshmallows. The message was, small reward now, bigger reward later. Some children broke down and ate a marshmallow, where others were able to delay gratification and earn 2 marshmallows. In follow-up experiments, Mischel found that children were able to wait longer if they used certain cool distraction techniques, covering their eyes, hiding under the desk, singing songs, instead of the marshmallow in front of them. Does this matter who eats the marshmallow first? After 10 years, Walter Mischel contacted the parents who participated in the experiment and asked about the children's living conditions over the 10 years, and found that the group was willing to wait until the researchers returned. Children grew up to be more self-motivated, good at coping with difficulties, and more able to persevere in the face of setbacks. Conversely, children who eat marshmallows right away are more easily distracted, less motivated, and seem chaotic when doing things. Students have found that the reason for this gestation is delayed pleasure. Children who are able to endure not eating candy without supervision are more self-disciplined in their personalities. They are willing to endure temporary pain, not eating marshmallow right away, to obtain more practical information. Eat 2 marshmallows. Stanford's marshmallow experiments proved the importance of delayed gratification, because true long-term success requires patience to stick to one's goals. This is not just a question of whether 4-year-old children should eat marshmallows. The impact of delayed gratification is spread across different stages and things in life. Thank you for listening.